I'm Stephen Thornton. I'm the Logistics and Supply Chain Director for BRITA UK.
I'm Brian Edwards, one of the warehouse managers here at BRITA Water Filter Systems in Bicester. BRITA is a family-owned household brand all around the world. We make water filters for both consumers at home and also for the commercial catering, coffee and vending industries as well.
The big focus for us is very much about the environment. Our product is recycled, so it's very much around the product but also around the process. So by switching to containers, we actually save CO2 and also cost, and then we need to make sure that we're doing it as lean as possible this way that you can see, using the conveyor. Manual handling and looking after our people is obviously very important.
And the conveyor that we've currently got is really helping us to improve the offloading time. And it's working out really well for us at the moment.
So before we had the gravity roller conveyor, we were manual handling all the boxes in the container and then palletising in the container, which was harder to manage and slower. So I found conveyor at a recent show, spoke to the guys really to understand what options there are out there to speed up the process and improve what we currently do. Very engaging, it was very useful. We were looking at different options, but this one seemed to be one of the best. Simple, cost-effective solution which we looked at. I think the fact that we could trial it and it was available very quickly was absolutely fantastic. It was here within a few days, and the cost of hiring it per week is very good. So yeah, and I think since we've had it, we've done 5 or 6 weeks of trials just to prove it, and now we've actually bought it as well. So yeah, I think the whole process has been seamless, it's been effective, and we've speeded up the process, so we're in a good place.
The benefits of using the roller conveyor is it's flexible, it's easier to move. Parking it after finishing it, it condenses into a smaller space, and we can control the speed by the variation of leg heights on how fast it comes down. And now, as you can see, the speed is controlled on each level. Really suitable for what we need. From an offloading performance point, we had approximately 12 containers at the first half of the year without any conveyor system. It was taking 4 to 5, even 5.5 hours. Since we've got the conveyor, the last 4 containers have all been done within 3 hours. Last week's took under 2 hours. Today should take about 2 hours. So a real vast improvement on the offloading time.
I would recommend conveyor. I think the fact they've been easy to deal with, the product's been very good. We've used it 5 weeks now, including all the trial time. The way to trial a product is always good, because then you prove whether it works or not for you. Yeah, I would definitely recommend them, yeah.